Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into the latest Cookie Run Kingdom codes for February 2025. These codes can unlock amazing rewards that will enhance your gaming experience and help you progress faster in the game. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Understanding codes. Cookie Run. Kingdom codes are promotional phrases that you can enter in the game to receive in-game rewards. These rewards can range from crystals, cookies, and other valuable items. 2. Where to find codes. Developers often release codes through social media, events, or community forums. Make sure to follow Cookie Run's official channels to stay updated on any new codes. 3. How to redeem codes. Open Cookie Run Kingdom on your device. Tap on your profile icon or go to the settings menu. Look for the Redeem Code option. Enter the code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Click Confirm to receive your rewards. 4. List of February 2025 codes and rewards. Code 1. Rewards, 500 crystals and 3x rare cookies. Code 2. Rewards, 1,000 coins and a special decoration. Code 3. Rewards, 10x power-ups and a unique badge. Make sure to check the expiration dates for each code. They may only be valid for a limited time. 5. Tips for maximizing your rewards. Regularly check for new codes and redeem them as soon as possible. Participate in community events for additional codes and bonuses. Join forums or social media groups where players share secret codes. By using these codes, you can enhance your gameplay and make your Cookie Run Kingdom experience even more enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and guides. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with your friends. Enjoy your gaming adventure in Cookie Run Kingdom.